Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to my video today. So join me, let's prepare food at the side for the boys. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, is your girl, your mama Ada Chooks. So do well to subscribe, like, share our videos to reach others, and thanks for coming and enjoy the video. So guys, today I went to the site. I noticed that everybody there was hungry. Understand? Even me, I was hungry. So instead of buying bread and mineral for the boys, calculate how much a bottle of mineral is, 500, and how many workers are there. I decided to okay, buy some things to cook since market is nearby. I have to head over to the market, buy okra and every other thing, vegetable, and you know what they use in cooking okra soup. Understand? So this is me slicing the okra. Forget about this video, how I position the camera. I forgot to keep my phone on a landscape. Understand? So the phone was portrait, so that is why the video is like this. So manage the video with us. So if you are new to this page, do well to subscribe, as I have said, like, and then share the video. So now I'm done slicing the okra. This is me plucking the leaf, and here are the ingredients I'll be using to cook this soup. My meat is there, smoked fish is there, but more, this is the fufu. Of course, remember that we are the site, and here's my oil. You understand? And the dry fish to give it a taste. Here is the pot, and we are cooking with firewood. You understand? Nde shirinoko is always sweet. Nde shiri with firewood. So remember that if you can see, we don't have tray there. We use our tank cover as tray. Understand? But enjoy the video. So after I've put my pot on fire, I start putting my more so that everything got so on. You understand? They call so you understand? So I've put everything together, cover it so that it will boil and marinate together. So I now check my stock. It's already done. I have to remove it, then place my oil because I need to stir fry the okra so that it will give us another taste. If you have not tried stir fry okra, please do try it. It's a mind-blowing taste. Understand? So I put my oil inside pot to fry my okra. After I've done that, remember, I'm the one holding the camera because anyhow the phone is shaking. Please bear with us. To be a content creator is not easy. So this is me stir frying the okra, as you can see. After I've stir fry everything have, not that you are going to fry it, please. This is not a cooking channel. You can cook your food as the way you want. Understand? I'm not teaching you how to cook. I'm just showing you guys what my today looks like. Understand? This is how my today looks like, and I really enjoyed it because everybody there was like, "Ha, you have break history." I say, "Which history?" For cooking at the site. So see my meat that I need to add, and it was time for me to add this stuff because I don't want the okra to over fry. I have to add my meat inside, put everywhere what you go inside. You understand? This is, in fact, I need to start cooking mama put sharp soup because workers, they really enjoy this soup. They really, even me that cook the food, I really enjoy this. So I have to introduce my smoked fish, but the fire really dealt with me. My eye turned red to the extent that my husband was asking me, "Did you smoke?" I did not smoke. On the fire, the smoke itself enter my eye. So I have to put my pepper. Put this crayfish, blended crayfish with ogbono. See how my hand is shaking. So to give it that extra thickness, because ofa and nagiri ofa ha carry it. Even me, I also ate because I was hungry. I've calculated how much bread and mineral. Nemo, I have to make use of my sense so that it will go round. So here our soup is ready. Please don't come more because the soup has already finished, as you can see. this is me. Can you see the face that is behind the camera, behind the cookie? See people that are waiting for this soup. So guys, come and join us. Let us eat this food together. Understand? I was just dishing it out, sharing it 2 by 2. Understand? 2 people in 1 plate. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please drop it on the comment section. Tell me what you want me to be doing, because I just started this page new, so I'm just trying to be everywhere so that I will know what that you would like, as you can see me doing it here. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.